I always like to end on a positive note, so here is a rousing, uplifting song which is guaranteed to cheer you up. When you attend a funeral, it is sad to think that sooner or later those you love will do the same for you. And you may have thought it tragic, not to mention other adjectives, to think of all the weeping they will do. But don't you worry, no more ashes, no more sackcloth, and an armband made of black cloth will someday nevermore adorn a sleeve. For if the bomb that drops on you gets your friends and neighbors too, there'll be nobody left behind to grieve, and we will all go together when we go. What a comforting fact that is to know. Universal bereavement, an inspiring achievement. Yes, we all will go together when we go. We will all go together when we go, all suffused with an incandescent glow. No one will have the endurance to collect on his insurance. Lloyds of London will be loaded when they go. We will all fry together when we fry. We'll be French fried potatoes by and by. There will be no more misery when the world is our rotisserie. Yes, we all will fry together when we fry. We will all bake together when we bake. There'll be nobody present at the wake. With complete participation in that grand incineration, nearly 3 billion hunks of well-done steak. We will all char together when we char, and let there be no moaning of the bar. Just sing out a Te Deum when you see that ICBM, and the party will be come as you are. We will all burn together when we burn. There'll be no need to stand and wait your turn. When it's time for the fallout and St. Peter calls us all out, we'll just drop our agendas and adjourn. Yes, we all will go together when we go.
like an atomic bomb. I surrender, honey, 'cause you have won. Your lips touch mine and my heart went numb. I need your kind of love, won't you give me some? Want to hug and kiss you and give you a squeeze. You make me radioactive all in my knees. You must be the angel that lights the stars, or maybe your love will come down from Mars. I don't know, honey, where you come from, but you sure hit me like an atomic bomb. I'll take you in my arms and fly off in space. The way I love you, we'll start a super race. With your supersonic speed, we'll find a new world. You're my boy and I'm your girl. We'll live and love and have lots of fun, 'cause you hit me, baby, like an atomic bomb. I don't know, honey, where you come from, but you sure hit me like an atomic bomb. I'll take you in my arms and fly off in space. The way I love you, we'll start a super race. With your supersonic speed, we'll find a new world. You're my boy and I'm your girl. We'll live and love and have lots of fun, 'cause you hit me, baby, like an atomic bomb. With your supersonic speed, we'll find a new world. You're my boy and I'm your girl. We'll live and love and have lots of fun, 'cause you hit me, baby, like an atomic bomb.
A boy and his dog can go walking. A boy and his dog sometimes talk to each other. A boy and a dog can be happy sitting out in the woods on a log, but a dog knows his boy can go wrong. A boy and his dog can go fishing. A boy can teach a dog to bring a dish in when he's hungry. A boy and a dog can be happy sitting out in the woods on a log, but a dog knows his boy